Hey, welcome to Louis Wealth BotSpot. I'm the CEO, Robert Grzesik, and I'm going to introduce you to our platform. So at BotSpot, we are strong believers in the future of trading. We believe that the future of trading is all going to be automation. We're going to be using a lot of AI to trade, and we're already starting to see that. In the stock market, you can see that anywhere between 60 to 90% of the market is already trading using automated means. So when you're actually placing a trade on Robinhood, you're most likely placing it against a robot at Citadel or something like that. So we want to even the playing field, and we want to give you guys the tools that these large shops are using, and also ones that I think will give them a run for their money. So let me show you really quickly how this website works. So here we have the homepage where you can see all the different strategies that we, or myself, and a bunch of people in our community are running. For example, you can see here in the past 7 days, the earnings beat sprint strategy has done about 11.1%. That's one that I'm running. Someone else in our community, Tropical Whitefish, got 5.9% over the past 7 days. You can keep going through that list. You can sort this list as well, or you can click into it and you can actually see how these bots are doing, what they're up to, what they own, all that kind of stuff. You can get the details behind them. You can see this one, for example, by Tropical Whitefish. He's actually beating the market by a really nice amount. So good for him, up 27% since he started. So that's basically being able to see all the bots. What you're here for is most likely the AI benefits and all the different things that you can do. So here's one way that you can actually take advantage of our AI, is there's this big button here, create strategy using AI. If you click on that, you will see that in here, it's kind of like a ChatGPT interface. You can speak to this thing and it's essentially tell it what you want your trading strategy to do. You can automate all these things for you. If you have maybe some sort of trading signals or some sort of technical analysis I use, you can just literally type that in here. You can even take Pine script if you're doing that. You can put it into here or anything else. Type it into this box, hit generate. It can create the strategy for you. Or you can take a look at some of our examples here. We have quite a few of them. For example, you can use Perplexity to automatically, it's an AI that is able to search the internet for you, look for earnings reports, look for things like what did Jerome Powell do most recently? You know, did he raise rates or not? Like all these different kinds of things, whatever you could dream of, you could put into this website. Basically hit generate strategy and it will generate that for you. It creates a set of Python code that you will then be able to use to either back test or to deploy and run. So let me show you an example here of a strategy that I created some time ago. One of my favorite strategies is our TQQQ Trader. It's a very simple, but one that works very well. So if I click into this one here, this is a strategy that I created. You can see here that there's the code that I could use. I have a flow chart explaining how this strategy works as well, so you can understand without even getting into the code what exactly it's doing. And then you can go down at the bottom here and you can either back test the strategy, so you can see how it would have done historically. This one would have done about 35% per year. With a max drawdown of 41%, a good Sharpe ratio here, all those types of things, pretty nice return. You can take a look at the chart, open up the chart here, and this is basically a trading view chart that's going to show you all the trades that basically occurred over this back test. So here you could jump in and you can see, oh, basically it bought TQQQ at this date for this much money. It sold it here. You can see your indicators on the chart as well. So it makes it really easy for you to understand what exactly the strategy is doing through backtesting, right? You can also, if you go back here to the AI builder, right, the AI bot builder, we can also hit deploy strategy as well. So when we click on deploy strategy, we're going to be able to run this thing live, right? So it's, as part of your plans, you guys have some credits towards running strategies live. What you're going to do is you're going to go into one of the brokers. Here I have two. We're going to be adding more very shortly. And you put in your API keys, click the agree button and deploy your bot. And when you do that, you can see that you'll have a bunch of bots running automatically for you. All right. Okay, so it's a quick tour of BotSpot. I hope you guys really enjoy it. If you need extra help, you can go to the help here page, or you can also check out the getting started, which is where you came from as well. All right. Thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoy the platform. And if you ever have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out through our chat or book a call or anything else. Hope you have a great day.